Diversity. Miss Diversity. Diversity. Miss Diversity. Diversity. Miss Diversity. Diversity. Miss Diversity. Oh, it's your girl, Miss Diversity, coming at you, and I'm here today with Lele. Say hey, Lele.
Hi.
Today we are bringing you a leftover spread. You want to introduce what's everything going there, baby?
Yes. So we have some. What are they called again?
These are the pimento bites from Crystals.
And we've got some crabs. Can't wait to eat those. We've got some leftover pizza from Pizza Hut and some breadsticks.
I added some extra cheese to the pizza, y'all. Some breadsticks, and we got some
wings, leftover wings from Publix.
And also some chicken nuggets, which are overcooked. And there's another spicy wing. Hold on 1 second, y'all, because the dog crying. Of course she crying. Always when we filming, she gotta go use the bathroom, wanna go chase a squirrel, something. Anyway, I think Lady got through the spread.
No, there's one more thing that I left out. The cookies.
And we got some chocolate chip cookies. She loves for chocolate chip cookies.
I do.
And over on the side, we got a hodgepodge of sauces and dips. You know, of course, we got the lemon juice can, not have the lemon juice. We got some blue cheese, some Slap Your Mama, some hot sauce, some honey mustard, some buttermilk ranch, and some marinara sauce, and some barbecue for the baby.
That's mine.
Yes, Poppy. Oh, okay, good. Thank you. Thank you for letting her out. All right, let's go ahead and give thanks and get the grubbing. Now, Leah probably do most of the talking.
Yeah.
Because I don't really feel like talking. So either that or we just gonna hear us eat. All right, baby. All right. I'm about to take a drink.
Okay, so let's start eating. Oh, this looks so good.
All right. You got your bag, right? I think I'm gonna get a chicken wing. I guess it's trying to get me too.
Probably gonna get two.
Oh, go ahead. I'm gonna get me a piece of pizza.
Oh, it's done.
Some poppers.
Oh.
The pimento cheese poppers, man, are the bomb. I had to go back and get some more.
I'm gonna save the cookies for later.
I hope so. You know these? Those
I think I'm gonna get a piece of
poppers
pizza.
taste good with this honey mustard.
I think I'm
What you mean?
gonna get a chicken nugget.
The pizza over there.
Oh,
What you mean?
I'm trying to get a chicken nugget.
You got it?
Oh my god, it's stuck.
Told y'all overwarmed them.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And now all I need is just crab, but I may need another plate for my crab.
You need a bowl?
Yes.
Alright. You're gonna get your bowl. Alright.
So I've got my plate, bowl, for my crab, so that's all I needed. And I'm ready to grab.
And I'm drinking on, well, whatever's left, some cran apple and a little adult stuff.
And I am drinking on some apple juice.
So good.
I'm a bit tired.
Okay.
So, can you help me break the crab?
Do you want to wrap now? Oh. You don't eat what you got yet? First? You don't eat what you got first on there?
Okay.
I'm not put the crab crust on there.
Move it to the side. I'll get my plate.
Definitely easy nuts. What's the matter? Is that soulless? So let's go. No. You don't eat now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's great.
I think I want a crab up here. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. You want that.
You want me to warm up some more? Make it easy for you to eat, huh? Back to my bags. I asked the baby if she wanted to like a bucket, like her TT in the house, so she want bags. She wanted bags. I did have some blue crabs, but I ate them all.
That's so good. I probably won't top it out if it.
Okay.
You're too cold.
So y'all, this bruise on her face. She got running into a door. No, I do not abuse my baby. She got mad and stomped off into the door.
Yes.
She gonna do that again. It's crazy because she did that shortly before she did her finger incident. So I'm thinking, damn, these people gonna think I'm abusing my child.
That is not the only time I have ran into something.
I put some hot sauce and some blue cheese for my pizza.
And man, it hurts.
It's pretty. It's pretty. Did I wash all my lipstick off? I guess whatever. That pretty. It's pretty. Good. The stuff in your way?
Okay.
There you go.
So good.
I think I'm gonna get some more crabs tomorrow. Shoot. Yeah, I might eat Timmy and crabs tomorrow. It's open tomorrow.
So it's pacing around and one of my cats eating.
We had a lazy day today, which consists of much eating. So now I'm hungry. That's why I'm not talking so much.
Oh, it was noodles.
No. You know what I feel like watching?
Something.
But it's not on anyone. I don't think so. You know what I feel like watching?
What?
Some Walking Dead. That's what I feel like watching. She tingling. Right. Huh?
Until he died.
Yeah, I know. I almost a bit off this one already. I put it
I
back.
don't really want to spoil it, but I kind of want to spoil it. The viewers who haven't watched it. But
Sorry if this is a boring video. I came to eat.
I did too. Oh no. Sure.
Blue cheese in the hot sauce, y'all.
I don't even care if they're overcooked. I'm just hungry. I said I don't even care if they're overcooked. I'm just hungry.
You get what?
If they're overcooked, I'm just hungry.
That's too much food. You want the corn? No.
You can take it.
I need to make some wrong. Eat what I got first.
This is why I got another bowl.
So you don't want nothing from here but the crab?
Maybe a little shrimp, that's all.
Okay. You want to warm it a little bit more? You want me to warm it a little bit more?
What, the crab?
The whole thing. Yeah.
How long is that gonna take?
About a minute or two, maybe. I don't know. You want me to or no?
No, okay.
Okay. Dip that in blue cheese. I didn't mean to. That was kind of good.
What is your different blue cheese?
My shrimp. I'm gonna put some sloppy mama on that blue cheese with some hot sauce. I'm gonna make a new combination. That's gonna be good. It looked nasty, but it's gonna be good. Look, I got it all wrong. I got shrimp. I'm making shrimp pizza. Shrimp pizza. Shrimp pizza.
Remember when you used to work at Vito's and you guys would make that bacon pizza?
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
I can still have it made for you.
Oh, no, over Vito's.
You are?
I just remember you guys used to make that.
I want to get into this crowd, but I got so much on my plate.
I'm pretty sure me and Mama both want to get into this crowd.
Your ears look so cute.
Why, thank you. I'm officially a cat.
Well, this ain't just a crowd bag. This is a tray bag too. You say you're officially a cat? All right, well, the cat stop biting you. So say I heard you officially a cat. All right, babe, you want to break your crowd? Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah, it don't cool off quite a bit. Let's see if I can work those sides.
I'm only officially a cat for my cats.
Either one that's too hard, I get to keep, right? Ain't nothing in there either way. It's just kind of cold. I like cold crab. I don't know about you. I like cold crab. I throw it in all my hands doing it this way.
Why don't you use my back?
Some more. And some more. Okay, Bite it off and give it to myself later. some more. Not enough in there. Let me get you some more. There was one with some meat in there, so I'm gonna get.
Man, I wish I brought this.
We should watch the scissors. Wow, I'm cracking them for you. You wanna go faster? Huh? I think I'm going pretty damn fast.
Oh.
Shit. Right.
Oh. These are going straight back into the bowl.
What is?
These.
Why?
Because I can't put my lemon on this plate.
Oh, this your bowl, yes, sir. I'll put this over here first and then crack them to this. But this your bowl. You can pick that yourself. You can pick that one yourself.
Guys, I have to go do something because my cat is being very stupid.
Okay, hold on. Well, the cat's trying to dine with danger, rubbing up against the dog, so she had to go fix that. She ain't gonna stop. That's her best friend.
Yeah, but she's becoming friends with Gypsy.
You could have shit.
What was wrong?
I dropped crap. You could have got your scissors.
Good dab.
You wanna go get them? Alright, go get them. Another pause. Okay, she back. I don't really trust her with scissors right now because she went behind my back and did what she did to her fingers. So I had to ban her from the crafting. Come over, baby. I had to ban her from the crafting.
Can I please my lemon juice?
What you want?
My lemon juice. Why'd I call it mine? I don't know. Thank you.
I have some more crab to crack open for you. Hold on. That screen ain't positioned correctly. That's just better. Oh.
Splash.
Don't over splash. Yeah, all that good meat in there.
It looks delicious.
Oh, that's a hollow one. That I did for you.
So what's begging?
I need to eat what's on my plate so I can put my crab. Yeah. So Elizabeth, now come up in here. This is a lot of food.
A lot of delicious food.
Better have to put that man on it.
Next time.
No, next time. He eat it now. You need a little cockroach. What's on my plate?
What was wrong?
I like kitty hair. They have hair everywhere. God, that's what I hate about cats. I mean, I love the cats, but they just take their asses any and everywhere.
Gypsy talks to her.
It's good.
I said Gypsy talks to you. I said Gypsy talks to you.
Oh, yeah. We're back on top. Just guess I ain't asked. How was y'all Sundays? Hope it was good. You know what? I just thought about my cousin posted a meme on Facebook about people eating with their hands, their shoulder, not hand, their elbows on the table. I told him, look, When that food be good to me, you might even catch a knee up in there, okay? I try not to, but I do.
It's hard.
You can call it no manners if you want to. What is manners? Something that's taught. I ain't got my whole ass and a G-string up on the table. I think I'm good. To each his own. Yay! I can get into this crab now.
I was wondering why you said yay.
Because I finished what's on my plate. Look at that. I'm about to see what this tastes like. Maybe like an elote. Maybe. What y'all think? We'll see. Oh yeah. That's good.
He's enjoying it.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do that more often. I was pretty good.
New combination?
Yeah. I think I found my new combo. I think I did. That was real good and creamy.
Look at that crab meat.
Let me just. Sorry. You need more napkins? I didn't say nothing. Oh, I got a towel over here. This is perfect. This will work out perfect for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, what's next? Look that up.
That's something.
I got a new combo. Okay, good.
Why does my shirt keep coming down?
I don't know why, but it's good. What's wrong?
Why does my shirt keep coming down?
It's too good for you. But you like it.
The shirt really looks cute with the cat ears, though.
I don't know why you don't put your feet down.
Here we go. Sorry guys, in this video I'm a bit messy.
I'm good. So let's talk about my fallen subscribers. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Oh, shit.
Mama subscribers are going down.
I don't know. They're leaving me. They're leaving me for real. If it's some kind of audit type shit, I don't know. But it get on my nerves. If you watch YouTube, they give you the same old excuses. So, whatever. I thank you for my faithful subscribers and followers, and thank you for sticking with me. And all you other ones, deuces. Let me stop. It's aggy up. But the show must go on. Guess I ain't doing something right. Or I am doing something right. This is good. No, you want one?
Last time I tried one, it was good.
Alright.
I just don't want to eat it.
I will be back and get some more though.
This is like a mukbang.
I like it.
I said you should make a mukbang.
After them? That's a good idea. When they're nice and crispy out the oil. And there she go again. God, we got a lot of food left here. I know you're getting full. Somebody be taking care of y'all. Oh, I already had a call there. Oops. I had one here. Oops.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby, look at that.
Mm.
You want it?
No, what's yours?
You can have it.
It's yours.
Go ahead, baby.
Like I said in the other video where you tried to give me the crab.
Yeah. Let me share with you here. There you go.
What did you? It's yours. No.
Yeah.
It's mommy's. It's a really big piece of crab meat.
Got me another one. It's good? Huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh wow. It's humongous.
Hmm?
It's humongous. This is for you.
Oh. You eat it, baby.
Nah, you eat it. No, Thomas.
Oh, stop my face on. Myself in the face with that cloth in my mouth.
Stop. I'm sorry, guys. I thought it was gonna be really nice.
Yeah, she's begging. Do that to her because she get mean. I'm about to kick her
Can I have
ass.
some shrimp?
Mm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How many you want? You can get them shells out your bag.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Do it,
Get the shells out your bowl.
Mm.
I said bag at first, I mean bowl.
Like they're supposed to be. Stop licking your lips. You ain't getting any of this.
She really don't need no crowd. She'll choke.
She'll choke with bones. She'll choke with this.
It's a nice combination. Got together, but I don't know if it's gonna be here to stay. But I will be using it. Well, I got a lot of different food.
Stop licking your lips.
I'm out of drink. We about full anyway. What happened? Oh, squirted. It's all over. Uh-oh.
What squirted?
Juice.
Oh.
Basics. Come. Got morena elote up in here.
What does that mean?
Black girl elote. And morena really means like dark haired, but they refer to darker skinned people like myself as morena. So black girl elote.
Gonna dip it in the lemon. There it is.
You need to stop. You don't eat a lot. But It's so good.
It's so good.
Leftover crabs, I think, be so much better.
Mm.
The seasoning. Set in more. Shit. Broke that.
It's so good.
Alright. You have to stop soon anyway if you want to eat your cookies.
I know.
It's not good.
With crab, it's hard to stop because it's so good, but you know to stop, but you don't want to stop.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh. Come on. Bust it open for mama. Don't forget my glasses dirty.
Hey.
I didn't. I think it's a fly in here. Maybe it's a moth. Going off of the lights. Shit.
She's talking weed.
Who?
So
Go sit down. Go sit down right now. You know what? Go night night. Go night night. She ain't gonna stop. Got food in her bowl.
with that word, actually responds to it.
Sparks a lot of words.
'Cause
So was smart as heck.
we saw her. It was fun. I don't think she's in here.
She back because she hard. She in the hallway, ain't she?
I think she is.
Because she's hard. She's smart as a whip. She's hard at it. We both getting sleepy eyes. It's full. We got the itis.
It's just so.
What I must eat? Imagine.
It's
Take
just
another.
so good.
Well, I gotta finish this crab leg. Take another one of these. I like these pimento bites. They're good. Honey mustard. I'm gonna try on this sauce.
They're healthy.
I'm full. That might be going here for what? Over 30 minutes. I don't even eat that long. I'm full. You ready to end out?
Ready to eat half of a cookie.
Oh, go ahead and eat your cookie, baby. Do your thing. Guess I'm gonna suck on a crab while you're doing that. Get your cookies, baby.
Just half, not that much.
I guess
Make them look so pretty.
Maybe I'll suck on the shrimp. They do look good.
Little samba dance.
For a cookie?
Yes. Samba dance of joy.
She do like her cookies.
I do.
Poor baby's face. Her beautiful face.
Ooh.
Ooh, we gonna sleep heavily tonight, you hear me? Sleep like the dead, girl.
Hopefully I don't, because that would be very worrying.
You know, I'm gonna act. I'm gonna go sleep good. Look, see? You eating the cookie, you got me eating more. I'm blaming on you. When she back. Soulless. Soulless. Y'all can see this dog. Or her hair. You said half a cookie. And that was it. You got me stuffing myself waiting.
I did eat half of a cookie.
Oh, so I had you eating? Alright, let's go ahead and end this, y'all. You want to take it away to Leah?
No.
We full. If you like what you see and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a big old like. Comment below and let us know that you're there. And stay tuned for more. Oh my God, I got food everywhere. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of happiness. This is